Hello, and welcome to Tip Top Tuesday. I'm Sydney Lee, a client enablement specialist here at ThankView. That's fancy speak to say I'm here to help your communications wow your donors. The very best way we recommend doing that is through personalization. Today we're giving you 3 examples of what personalization can look like, the magic, if you will. Personalization number 1, one-to-one messages. This can look like emailing or calling your recipients, or here in ThankView land, it looks like personalized video communication. We'll link a few examples below, but needless to say, it rocks. It gives your recipient the feeling that they are seen, that they matter to your organization, and most importantly, that they should engage with the communication you sent them. This is by far the most effective way to wow your donors, but it's not the only way. Personalization number 2. Let's say you're sending out a Thanksgiving message, but you don't want to send the same thank you to your whole list. A great way to segment here is by area of interest or designated fund. Speak to the group's main reason for giving. This could be scholarships, a particular radio show, a giving day initiative, whatever options you've given donors, make sure to recognize exactly what they gave toward and speak to the exact impact they made. Personalization number 3. One last example. You're sitting at your computer, an Excel sheet is open, there's a ton of information on your donors, but you're not sure which is the most useful. Let's take it back to basics, good old LYBUNTS and SYBUNTS. If you're putting together an end of fiscal year appeal, you're going to want to talk to your LYBUNTS and SYBUNTS very differently. So split those groups in 2, and make sure your messaging to both groups matches where they are in their giving journey. That's all for this Tuesday. See you next week.